lives. New coil, just cause. I'm gonna take that back off. I'll retest the original coil. If anything, then I'll have a backup coil. Even though one of the boots is pretty crappy looking, but yeah, she fired right up. I'm guessing all that wetness there must have been spewing fuel when that cylinder misfired, because it's all going back from cylinder 1. So either that, or before I had tightened this coolant line, this was squirting too. So it still has a little drip 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 once it gets up to temperature. So I did tighten that, but I'm gonna have to replace this hose anyways, because there's some corrosion down there, because I think the worm clamps that we had on here before shoot up the hose and ate a small pinhole through it. The corrosion has actually sealed it off, but it does get fizzy after it's warmed up. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive, make sure it's good, and then I'll have to go buy 12 more spark plugs. But the truck lives. I'm so happy.